Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can disable your name drop feature on iPhone. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on and let's move on. First step, after you open your iPhone, in order to disable your name drop, you want to go on setting. So open the settings of your iPhone, and inside setting, make sure you're on the general section. So click on general, and inside general you can see this option called airdrop. Click on airdrop. Now once you're inside airdrop, at the bottom where it says bringing device together, that is basically the option for name drop. So make sure to turn it off. Mine's already off, so it doesn't cause that much problem. But in your case, if it is not off, make sure to turn it off and you have disabled your name drop on iPhone. And to enable it, just turn it on and you have enabled your name drop on iPhone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more videos related with iPhone just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. And for people who are confused and don't know what name drop is basically this. As you guys can see, if you put your iPhone on top of each other, then basically the contact info of both of these iPhones are going to be switched. Which means it's the easiest way to share your contact info with one another who uses iPhone. So that is basically what name drop is, alright? So by disabling it, whenever you put your phone on top of somebody else, it's not going to share your information with them by mistake. So this is basically what disabling this avoids, alright? So hope you understand.